On this video, we are going to look into Autodesk Inventor's Revolve tool. Revolve tool is very useful one, and so often other tools such as extrude would not be efficient way to do some of the features. Example I'm going to use is this sketch that I have here. Imagine if you're creating this one with tools other than Revolve. It would be possible, but would take a longer time. So to do this efficiently, Revolve would be very useful, and it's very relatively simple tool to use. Once we have the sketch created, in this example I have done this sketch on XY plane on the front view, and once you have completed that and fully constrained this sketch, about 95% of the work is done. And the next step would be very simple by applying the Revolve. So the major part of this type of creating the solid model in this type is to create a sketch and pay more attention to the sketch itself and make sure it's fully constrained and accurately drawn. Once you finish, then we finish the sketch, and then you go to the Revolve and just select the tool from the menu, and then it's going to prompt you with two distinctive options and selections. So the first one is the profile, which automatically selects for you if it's only one. Normally you have to just simply point to that profile and make sure the profile is something the closed loop. If there's a gap in the profile or duplication of the lines, that may fail and would not work. So make sure that the sketch is correctly done. The first step is the more important step. And then after you finish the profile, in this case this is the only profile I have, and then move the tab to axis by selecting axis. And you need to define the axis. In this case we will define the axis by, I'm trying to revolve this around the y-axis. So you can select the y-axis from the browser, or simply select the edge that is parallel to the y-axis. And the next step and the final step is to define what angle of the revolution is. Normally the default is full 360 degrees. You have a choice to change that. Let me switch back to the isometric view. You can see exactly what's happening here, and then remove this one from out of the way, and now we have this one shows full, which is 360. As I mentioned, you can change them to different angle, like 180, 90, whatever the desired angle is. In this case I'm not going to change that. Just simply check mark or select OK on this menu. Either way should be fine. And then you have the 3D solid model using the Revolve tool.